Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and this is where we're talking about carousels. The login page is for Obama Jeremiah and the person is an ICT admin. The carousel customization is done by the ICT admin, and what we mean by carousel are those slideshows that actually changes momentarily on the login page. If you can look at this login page, you find out that there are pictures here that changes momentarily. This is used to customize this login page to the school information, especially the current activities going on in the school system. Now, these pictures can be changed and configured. The text here and these two texts can be configured by the ICT admin. Is our own part of the application. Now, this can be done using this particular button. When you click on Carousel, you will be presented with interface whereby you can upload a picture into the platform to be used for that. Now we have this. You can use plugins for that. Then you click there. The title of this one is plugins. You can use anything you want. Plugins. Then the caption is some little animals, some little sea creatures. Then you can save. Then after saving this one, we will have the interface where we can look at all of them. As you can see, it was successfully saved, and we have two pictures right now here. We have this flower and this for penguins. You may discover that there are only two pictures here, but you find out that there are five pictures previously on that page. Be sliding out one after the other. But the way the system is designed is that each application comes with a predefined five pictures used for promotional information about O scholars and Oteejay concepts. Then if you want to start using your own pictures of your school, for that you upload at least five pictures here, and automatically those are five promotional pictures will no longer be shown. But when you upload anything less than five pictures uploaded there, you find out that their own promotional pictures will always be shown there. Now, what we can actually see in this particular interface is this. We can have the capability of editing it. Let's say, for example, we want to edit that particular text that shows there. You can say colored pages. Becomes the title. Henceforth, that one will be what will always be displayed there. As colored pages, you can actually deactivate it. You can deactivate it or can delete it completely entirely from the platform. Now we can decide to upload another picture, and onto that. Okay, now we can then upload another picture by clicking on choosing this. Let's say we choose the desert, or call it Sahara. Call it a very dry, hot, sunny desert in North Africa. Very safe. Just a small text. It's not going to be long. Shouldn't be long. The title is smaller. You find out that the picture being uploaded, you have about 90% upload, and then 6% upload of the picture, 100%, and it's waiting for tutorial.scholars.net. Now it was successfully saved, and henceforth we'll have three pictures. We have this flower, have this penguins, and this Sahara. We can delete any of them. Let's say, for example, let's just see how it looks how the carousel looks like now. I'll just show it to you in a moment. As you can see right now, the carousel has this picture there. This one, the penguins, you can see it's colored penguins, some little sea creatures. You can see the next one has Sahara, a very dry, hot sun desert in North Africa. And then we have this particular flower. Henceforth, let's go there and deactivate this flower and delete one of them. Find out that we will no longer see them. This one is one of the promotional pictures. All questions is one of the product they have, what the scholars has, what the concept has. So this, okay. Henceforth, we have seen that these pictures becomes available there, as well as those texts that we are used as their description, that's their caption and title. Now we can, for example, deactivate one of them, and that if choose to deactivate this one, henceforth this picture will no longer be shown in the carousel. Then we can choose to delete any of them. You can say let's delete this one, and this picture will no longer be entirely in the database, and we have removed the entirely from the database. And at this point in time, we have come to the end of the tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and make sure you're spacing up on our scholar.